Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
New Trap Integrated Territorial Organization ni ka Hito kala Kyrshan ni ka Jingdawa Garoland jongki Kynhun na rilom Garo kibla penbenaban pelong da ka jingalang patba ka bahe sortura haka arp kendai terik mentau benai risau arajar arpuar. Presiden ka Hito bak dan bok dekhar uloong bakaseng ka ai Kyrshan teli ni ka Jingdawa jongki ni Kynhun na rilom Garo kenang lada kiyo ya ka jela Garoland ka jai penriu khasi bat jantiaru kenyo no la ka jong ka jela.
We fully support our brother and sister who call for separate Garoland state. We would also like to support the Council of Nokma, the apex traditional body, who have also demanded for special recognition and who are parts of the Grand Council of Chief of Meghalaya, which include Federation of Khasi State, for their support on the demands of the Khasi State as per the Treaty of the Instrument of Accession and Annex Agreement, which was signed and accepted by the Governor General of India on 17 August 1948. We call on the political parties to make the stance clear on this matter. The Khasi state demands include the 54 Hima Ilaka and 19 Ilaka in Jaintia Hills, including the Khasi village, lands of the Hima, which are under present Assam state and Bangladesh. In 1972, Meghalaya, in 1987, Arunachal and Mizoram were made state. Then in 2000, Chhattisgarh, Uttaranchal in 2007 name was changed to Uttarakhand, and Jharkhand were carved out of MP, Bihar and UP. In 2014, Telangana was carved out of Andhra Pradesh. In October 2019, Jammu and Kashmir ceased to exist. Judicial challenge in Supreme Court and two union territories were created, UT of Jammu and Kashmir and UT of Ladakh. So today we have 28 states and 9 union territories. There is full justification for creating more states in India, but in Meghalaya, the Hito would like to be clear about the demand for a state. The status of the Khasi state mentioned in the first schedule, strangely within Assam, is a constitutional anomaly, as we will accept a new Khasi state only as per the Instrument of Accession and Annex Agreement in the Special Article 370A, so as to restore the National Assembly of the Khasi state inaugurated by the Governor of Assam on 29 April 1949, comprising of the 25 chief or 56 MLA elected from the Khasi state and 8 nominated, including 4 men and 4 women. We are willing to join if invited by our Garo brothers. Tengi naga seng chung echai tio ngila se phai ga naga korbo shaki perlok Garo tengi kermen ru ba hagan jing yelang kajing ban penlong kata kajing lang jongki ni kermen bukan yat beja dinti but ka ba kidawa kan makir nyo nang mangiru ni nyo ka kajing dawa ku jungi.